Hi, my name's Neil Timoney. I'm with Rick Phillips, and today we're going to teach you how to use the program Mozilla Popcorn Maker to make a interactive web movie with information that you can pull off of multiple resources off the internet. So first we're going to go to mozillapopcorn.org. It's right there. So this is your general interface. It's pretty easy. We're signed in under Rick's account. You have to sign in to be able to save, which is right over here. And basically your video will be right here. You've got a timeline with layers you can add. A bunch of events that we'll get into a little bit later. But first step right now is to add your media so you can edit onto that. And so we took a video of a UMaine campus aerial tour. Just copy that, drag it right in here, and create the clip. Just add that to the video, and you have it right there. It's under my first, zero layer. So once you add your video, you'll be brought to the clip editor page, which shows the URL that you just got your video from, a timeline with the length of your video, as well as options for playing the video, playing the audio, how you want your volume, and a couple things you can edit, such as the title of the clip. From here, you're going to go into your events and bring up all of the things that you can add to your video to customize it the way you want it to be.
Hey guys, this is Rick. I'm going to show you how to do some of the events in Mozilla Popcorn Maker. First off, I've opened a Wikipedia page here. It's named the University of Maine. You actually don't have to have it open. All you need to do is come over here and click Wikipedia and type in University of Maine, which is the article title, and hit enter, and it pops up here, and you can edit the size and move it around the screen and edit where it shows up in the video on the timeline. So it's going to pop up there. You can also add an image by clicking on the image event and simply dragging an image from your desktop or anywhere on your computer and placing it into the drop here location, and now you can edit the size of the image and you can drag it around the screen. Also, just like the Wikipedia page, you could drag it further down the timeline to make it pop up whenever you want to. Another feature is adding a Google location, and all you have to do is type in. It accepts addresses too, not just towns, but all you have to do is type in the location and it'll pop up with a Google Map location, and you can drag that around as much as you want and drag it down the timeline.
So those are just some of the few events you can add to videos through Popcorn Maker. You also have this pop-up app where you can add your own text and of course move it along the timeline, make it longer, make it shorter, and change the text, whatever you want it to say. And there it is. You also have text, like I said, but as well with these tools you have these three tools which will actually affect the way your video plays. So if I wanted to drag a loop onto a new layer about 2 seconds in to my video, I can of course have it as long as I'd like it to be, and say I want that section to loop twice, make it a little bit shorter, and it'll go through that twice before it keeps going. That's the loop application. There's also a skip if you want to take out part of your video. Just make it as long as you want, wherever in the video you want it, and it'll disregard that section of the video. Jump right ahead. And then there's, of course, the pause button, which will simply pause the video at whatever point you set it at, and the user will have to press play to continue.
And to save your project, you just go up to the Save button. Oh, you have to name it first. You hit Save. You can type a description. And then you can edit. You can edit your description, share. It gives you a code to embed it in, say, like a WordPress, if you have a WordPress site or something. And you can also view the source if you want to edit specific things. And that's pretty much it.